This 2020 Heartland ElkRidge 38RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 42 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, awning, oven, LP detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, TV, leveling jacks, water heater, slide-out, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Heartland ElkRidge 38RK is 12,960 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.